camper can actually sleep up to 9, and it's only 6,100 pounds. This is a 2024 Alpha Wolf 26DBH-L, and this is one of the cooler travel trailers for a mid-sized family. Got your standards in the back, spare tire or rack if you want to bring some extra goodies, mount for a backup camera, and a mount for a ladder. Around here you got your exhaust, outdoor shower hookup if you want to wash off those muddy dog paws. Or if you're camping at the beach, it's really great for getting the sand off. And you got your water connections, tank flushes, some storage space. Back around to the campsite of the trailer, we got a couple outdoor speakers, hookup for your TV, power, big old 20-foot awning here, underlit with the LED strip. You got another mount for a camera for security above your main door. Outdoor camp kitchen, we got a 2-burner gas stove, mini fridge, ice maker, and then we got a dry sink here. Let's get inside this, John, and see what she's all about. Ooh, wowie zowie, I kinda like it. Starting off at the very rear of the camper, we got a couple bunks. These are double over double. Fit 1 to 2 in each of these, and then you got some more storage space underneath that thing. To the left of that, we have a bathroom here. It's got our second entrance. Pretty standard. Porcelain foot flush down below. Tiny little tub if you got dogs or babies, and then a skylight and a shower. Shh. What the heck is this for? It's like a towel drying rack? I guess your shower doubles as a closet. Saving space. We're saving space. Maybe there's an alternative function for that. I don't know. If there is, let me know. Let me know if you got any ideas. But I would assume it's for like a shower closet combo. Dry your swimsuits up on that thing if you're camping by the lake. U-shaped dinette here. You can convert that into a sleeper for 1 to 2. Bada bing, nice and easy. You got 2 big old drawers underneath. Those things are super deep. Next to that, we got a jackknife sofa. This thing will fold out. Great sleeper for a kid. Better sleeper for the pets. Behind all that, into the kitchen area. Farmhouse style sink. Very sleek. Detachable faucet, cutting board up here. We got some various trays in our sink. We got the glass sprayer, cleaner outer thingy-mabob. 3-burner gas stove, oven, microwave. Refrigerator, travel locks are built in. This thing is 10 cubic feet. And then right next to that, between the fridge and the bathroom door, we got this big old beefy pantry. Lots of space in there for all your dry goodies and your cans. Lastly, let's head up to the very front. You see here we got our fireplace, mount for your TV. There's a little Bluetooth hookup if you want to bump some tunes on the speakers. Bedroom, fairly basic. You got a queen bed here. Some wardrobe space, little nightstand action, power inverter on that far wall as well. And then like pretty much every camper ever, you got a ton of storage space underneath. This one's got access from the front. Maybe you can use that for like a little shoe storage area. For any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them down below. Or you can give me a call. The phone is in the bio. Holy guacamole, guys. Unrelated, look at how dope this guy is. It's pretty gnarly, I would have to say.